Hello friends, today I'm going to share how to make mushroom curry. Very easy recipe that we can make in less than 15 minutes. So let's see how to make this. So here I've taken a tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, add ginger garlic coarsely crushed. So here I've taken 1 thumb size ginger and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. This is half onion chopped like this. You can make it more finely chopped. Give it a good mix. We are cooking this in medium heat. Now add salt per taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Give it a good mix. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now I'm going to use baby bella mushrooms. You can use mushroom large or small size. Chop it like this and add to this masala. Give it a good mix and we'll wait till the mushrooms are nicely cooked before adding the water. So I'm cooking this in medium heat here. Next I'm adding 1 tomato puree. Once it's nicely cooked, the tomato raw smell has gone, we'll add the green peas here. I've taken half cup of green peas. Give it a good mix. Next I'm adding chicken masala here. This gives a very nice flavor to the recipe. Give it a good mix. All the spices, the tomato, everything is cooked so well. We are doing this in medium heat. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water here. Let it cook. Add cilantro for garnishing. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. We cook this until the gravy thickens up or the water is reduced. Now it's ready to be served with rice. We enjoy this with rice. You can also have this with Indian flatbread. Very flavorful and easy mushroom recipe. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon with new video again. Till then, bye bye and take care.